In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a Miro board as a PDF. Whether you're sharing your ideas with colleagues or preparing a presentation, exporting your board as a PDF is a simple way to package your work in a convenient and easily shareable format. So, let's dive into the steps you need to follow to achieve this. First things first, you'll want to open your Miro board. Now, if your content isn't already organized within frames, you might consider placing your content inside them. Frames act as separate sections within your board, and each frame will translate into a page within the PDF. This is a handy way to ensure your content is neatly divided and easy to navigate once it's exported. With your board open and organized, the next step is to initiate the export process. To do this, you'll need to click on the export option. This can usually be found directly, or you may have to navigate through the main menu. So, you'll go to the main menu, then to board, where you'll find the export option waiting for you. Once you've clicked export, you'll see various options presented. From these, select Save as PDF. This is essential because it tells the application precisely in what format you want your board to be saved. Miro will then prompt you to select the specific frames or areas of your board that you wish to include in the PDF document. Take your time here to ensure you've chosen exactly what you need. If your board is large or complex, exporting only the necessary frames can make the document more manageable and focused. After you've selected your frames or designated areas, go ahead and click the Export button. Now this might take a few moments, especially if you've selected a lot of content, so patience is key here. What's happening is that Miro is generating your PDF based on the selections you made. Once the PDF is ready, it will automatically begin downloading to your device. Typically, the file will land in your Downloads folder unless you've set a different default location for downloads. From there, you're free to open, review, and share the file as needed. And that's it! You've successfully exported your Miro board as a PDF. Remember, organizing your board with frames beforehand can greatly enhance the clarity and professionalism of your final document. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please feel free to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks to make the most of your digital tools.